Music.
I think he needs guitar.
You can read my stuff as Sibuta. You want to read yours?
No, after this you get Fadil to do his poetry.
Yeah, come on.
Sweet. Yeah, I actually got a couple over
I'm
there.
dying. I want you to see that.
I got a couple on this thing. But mine are a lot really. I got a couple in the additional. Here we go.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot of.
This is rocking.
Too vulgar.
Too private.
Oh, ex-girlfriend.
Yeah.
All right. I'll do this one.
Okay.
Sorry. Hold on.
Not really.
Oh man.
Too sad.
Tissues. You're lying.
Okay. All right. This one. Okay. It's called Kitchen Pots.
Kitchen pots. Alright.
Racial change happens at a glacial pace. There is still will to build it. Palatial grace takes and takes. All you have left is face. You've even lost your sense of place. Mind ablaze like the sea shining. In your heart is empty praise. Give and take in the geography of a conversation. So when it's given to you screaming into stethoscopes, stuffed like Yong Tau Fu, slimming into exploded view, light splashed, and I need a human shield to cross the road. Awful, I know, but I will walk this exorcism until released. Night is little boy throwing water bombs of light onto carved neighbors from a summertime we can't see. Cracked snowflake up above us, let us know too late if you hate or love us. I bring eyes up smiling kind and wild, return again to that similar style all at once, familiar again to an ear exile spinning in vermilion. I can learn again, even life feels vaudevillian, and wind in handfuls steal sensation from newspapers and my fingers, where each word was an article of clothing, and I, DIY, applied the knife to syllables, killed to pin them twitching to cream paper. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just letting you know that I've given up performance, so
You started it again, man. Encore.
I'm like a recidivist. I always relapse. And, so like what you've got over at this poetry slam is like new poets and old ones, and
The other one, you look like Jay Leno.
all right, so that's it. And April 25th, keep an eye out for the Facebook invite.
Right?
Sorry, Lipa in Hartamas. Yeah.
Ah, Lipa. Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Where did Poetry Slam originate?
I forgot.
No. Chicago, yes.
Yeah.